Hi guys, I'm Shruti and welcome back to Karmakar's Kitchen. So you must have seen the thumbnail. Today is prawn biryani. This biryani is super delicious biryani. You won't believe it until you make it yourself. For this biryani, you don't even need biryani masala. All you need a good quality basmati rice, and yes, you need cilantro, coriander leaves, lot of coriander leaves and mint leaves. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make prawn biryani, I have got here prawns 400 grams, which is deveined, descaled and thoroughly washed. So to make prawn biryani, first step is to marinate the prawns, for which I am adding salt, about 3/4 of a teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Now mix everything very nicely and coat the prawns with the marinade. Once done with the coating, let the prawns sit for about half an hour. Meanwhile, soak basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes. Here I have taken about 2 measuring cups of basmati rice, which I have washed thoroughly. So while the rice is soaking and prawn is marinating, let's make birista for the biryani, for which heat enough oil in a wok and add thinly sliced onions. Here I have got about 2 cups of sliced onions. I'm gonna fry onions in batches. Fry until the onions are crisp and nicely browned. I have been frying for some time now. You can see the onions are nicely browned. It's time to take them out. Frying the next batch. Deep fried onions, also known as birista, is done and ready. It's crisp and has got beautiful color. It's one of the vital ingredients for making biryani or korma. Now leave 3 tablespoons of oil in the wok and add another tablespoon of ghee, which is clarified butter. It's time to sear the prawns, therefore add chopped onions. Here I have used 2 small sized onions. We have to fry this until it turns golden brown. Onions have browned nicely. Now add ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons. Give it a nice stir. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon. Now add the marinated prawns. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna add garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste, green chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped. In addition to this, you can also include red chili powder to increase the heat. I'm gonna add 1 cup of beaten yogurt. Here I'm using a teacup. Stir and cook for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding handful of cilantro or coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves. Mix it really well. Now cover and cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then lower the flame and cook until the gravy dries up and the prawns are tender. Meanwhile, let's prepare the rice for biryani, for which I have taken a large pot with 1.5 liters of water, and now I'm going to add some whole spices like whole jeera 1.5 teaspoon, 2 bay leaves, 5 to 6 pods of cardamom, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 pieces of star anise, 3 to 4 pieces of cloves, salt 3 teaspoons. I highly recommend this recipe, guys. This is super easy and amazingly delicious. Adding a handful of coriander leaves and a handful of mint leaves. As I have mentioned earlier, this recipe requires lot of coriander leaves and mint leaves and some very regular ordinary spices that we always keep in our kitchens. Bring the water to complete roll boil, and once it is completely boiled, add the soaked basmati rice into it. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook until it's 80% done. The rice is 80% cooked. Now it's time to drain the water. On the other hand, the prawns are cooked nicely and the gravy has dried up. Add half of the fried onions into the prawn and save the remaining for garnishing the biryani. Cover and turn off the flame. Divide the rice into two parts and layer one part in a large pot. Level nicely. Next, add the prawns on top of it. Level and fill in each corner. Add the remaining rice and spread evenly. Garnish with remaining fried onions. Some coriander leaves. Some mint leaves. And add a tablespoon of ghee and spread evenly. Here I am adding yellow food color, but I would highly recommend saffron milk instead. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes and then turn off the flame. Prawn biryani is ready. Serve it hot with some salad and raita. The rice is so fluffy and separated, you can see. Guys, this recipe is a must try. You won't believe the aroma has filled my entire apartment. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and comment. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. I'll see you next week with another new recipe. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.